Guys, Science Wi-Fi network is real. Number 1, hackers. Hackers want to steal your 24-word passphrase. Number 2, big websites feature Pi network in their post. Yung Forbes, yung Coin Insider, what else? Meron pa isa coin eh. That's another website. Number 3, why yung regular people trade Pi on real world products. You can see this on Facebook. Number 4, people make dApps for future use of Pi coin. So they make websites where you can trade Pi coin to their services. dApps is also called decentralized applications. This is like Pi2Go,